From the Sam and Paul YouTube channel.
One small step for man. One huge step for food.
All right, can you tell me where we are right now, Mr. Hurley?
Oh, we're in my backyard.
What city?
Oh, hold on. Buffalo, New York.
And what's going on outside right now? What can you tell us about the weather?
It's a blizzard.
And how much snow would you say is on the ground?
My client knows that right there. Yeah, approximately there's 8 feet of snow.
8 feet of snow. And do you have school on Monday?
No.
Okay, no.
Because of Christmas break.
Christmas. Tell me about Christmas. Did you get any presents?
Yes, I got peas. I got a L-shaped desk. We got Alienware monitor. We got L-shaped desk. We got all that stuff at Sam's Hardware store. Come on down and have some fun.
Did you get any new consoles?
Yes, Xbox Series X.
Wow. Can you make a video about that for us?
Sure.
What are we going to do today?
Today, we're gonna document the dog stealing the hat. He's got a hat.
He stole Junior's hat?
Yep.
Let's get it.
Give me the hat. Give me the hat. Hey.
We can't get him. He's too fast. He's traveling at warp speed. Nobody's ever done this before. It's too dangerous.
We've actually done
All right, we have Paul Jr. attempting the most dangerous stunt known to mankind. That is the... I'm ready. Snowboard down the slide trick. Here we go. Mania 2020 backyard of the Hurley house. It's a blizzard outside, but we got 2 top contenders ready to have an absolute snow smackdown. Do you got anything to say, Sam Hurley?
I'm gonna be printing on that trophy unless I start losing, but still, he's gonna be the one that's losing and not bringing home that trophy.
All right, that's enough. Do you got anything to say, Junior?
But first of all, that I will be winning.
He said, put it in reverse, Terry. All right, let's go. Let's see what these two... Jab, hook. Okay, takedown. Oh, he really outpowered him. He's got a little extra size on him, but they are the same age, similar strength. 2 titans really going at it here. There's snow flying everywhere.
Hey! Hold my neck.
Ooh, complaining, cheating, drama.
Yeah!
Oh, the cheap shot. Give him the shovel. Careful.
Got him.
Dang. All right, first round.
I lost.
Are you injured?
Yeah, what do you think?
What hurts?
Everything.
Well, don't take it out on me. Did he take a cheap shot on
Get
you?
out the car! Wow, case. Something that's never ever happened before. Alright, kid, stop it. Try to get everything. And, he just beat a record, yeah. So, oh, shit, man!
Yep. Wow, very smooth. Oof, you almost hit your head on the bed. Are you okay, sir?
Back again. Here comes Paul Jr., recent winner of the X Games. Oh, almost made it all the way through the yard, but he face plants, and he just looks absolutely freezing right now.
Please subscribe. Have a good year.